try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me on the right, girl. Better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
Welcome everybody. First and foremost, bless up yourself everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rome. We're down here in the 4th official man cave. And it's been depressing for the past couple of days. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very worried. But before we get into the meat, people make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel down here. If you're looking the 4th official in the background, what we have behind me, what's that? What was that? That's a YouTube channel up and running, people. Make sure you go over there, drop a like on the video. Manchester United and football content here on this channel. If you like what you see, drop a comment as well. Even if you don't like what you see, let us know. Where do I begin, bro? It's been depressing for the past couple of days. Actually, it's been depressing for the past couple of weeks. And honestly, I don't know what to say anymore about this team. And the reason why I'm saying that is because watching Manchester United has been depressing. Very much so depressing. I couldn't even bring myself to come up with a reaction video yesterday because of what I see. That was the fuck was that? That was the worst game I've ever seen Manchester United play. And to make it worse, here in America, I don't know what it was like for you guys around the world, but watching it in America on NBC, it was nothing but fog all over the TV. And every time we play at Crystal Palace, it always looked foggy. And my God, that game was shit. These men cannot create anything for nothing, bro. It was rough watching them play yesterday. We had so much of the ball, and yesterday we looked like we couldn't do shit. Clearest chance of the game came to, of course, Rashford. And what did he do? Nothing with it, bro. Nothing. We didn't create shit. It was, Pogba, last game, 3-3 versus Everton. Since then, we scored 4 goals in our Premier League. That was like 5 games ago. And one of the games, them had 3 goals in it. Then we draw 1-1 with West Brom. Since then, it's just nothing but nil all blood. What the fuck is going on? What? It's like the coaching team run out of ideas on how to get these men performing and scoring goals. I am more than a bit worried at the moment about what's going on in the coaching staff. Like, you have to start asking yourself the question. Yes, I never want to be Ole out, or I never want to be the person coming on social media or even YouTube and screaming Ole need to leave. But my God, can you bring this team forward? Can you bring this team forward? Can you show this initiative to take this team to the next step? Because everybody I talk to that does not support Manchester United always say the same thing. You man have a shit ton of ballers. So what are you doing with these ballers while they're playing like shit so often, bro? Why? What's going on at the club? What is going on at this club? Why we cannot produce... Why we cannot have some man play some proper football? You have to start wondering, as a football fan, as someone who watch the game, as someone who is interested and want your side for win, why is it that you're playing Crystal Palace, the team that cannot score them and have a shit ton of injuries, they cannot play football to save them life, yet still you're playing 2 defensive midfielders and playing Fred and Matic. Crystal Palace did not offer anything in that bumbuckler game. Nothing. You do not need Matic and Fred in the team. If you play Matic, I understand we have a lot of injuries, right? We have a shit ton of injuries. Van de Beek injured, so there is no argument. Mata is injured, alright, cool, that's fine. Why is it that we play a team with 2 pivot and Bruno Fernandes, one behind up there, playing behind the striker? Why is it that, look, alright, the one game we play against an expansive team, Leeds, and you put McTominay on the field and tell McTominay just go on and enjoy yourself. McTominay scored 2 goals in 3 minutes. McTominay come on, and as soon as him come on, he get a chance at the box, which he should have kicked the ball off for the bumbuckler goal, but it's a different conversation. The point that I'm making is, you need to give your players the opportunity and the freedom to play football. Having Matic and Fred, where all them know if you do a break up the play and make side passes, cannot help the team. Because Bruno need help. Bruno have to come back into the defense to help connect the play. Because we don't have Pogba to drive the ball into the midfield, to make a 1 or 2 pass, and just do something creative in the team. We don't have that, and because of that, you now make no sort of effort. There is no effort to push the man them forward. You tried to do that in the last part of the bumbuckler game. 20 minutes in, here comes Scott McTominay. Oh, try push forward. Why didn't we get that in the first part of the game? Palace was not offering anything. Palace didn't offer shit in this game. If you're going to start Fred, don't start Matic. Fred is not a goal scoring threat. Neither is Matic. Bruno needs some sort of help up there. If Fred go up front, if Fred get a ball at the top of the box, we know nothing will go towards the goal. Any position McTominay get with the ball on top of the box, whether it's half a corner or a ricochet, McTominay getting it on target. Why the fuck wasn't he starting, bro? I understand the idea of letting Matic stay back there and control the game and break up play. But McTominay need for the end of the team if Pogba injured, Van de Beek injured. Because you don't have anybody else at Manchester United not buying any baller. But this coach that we thought once was pragmatic seems to be losing his touch, bro. I know they got me here making videos for YouTube, mad as fuck, thinking about Manchester City this weekend, how them are going to rape with Bumbukla. I can't talk to my friend anymore after this, you know. I have one waste man friend who support Manchester City. At least the one who are close to me right now. You have a few of them in Jamaica and another one, but they're busy with them. Just like all them Nano fans. We have one waste man friend right now. And this man chat every day about Manchester City, bro. And the one thing I had going for me was that at least you can challenge with the title. All you guys know what bend over, bro. Yeah, man. Manchester City are going to rape with this weekend. They are going to absolutely rape with this weekend. And our fault. Our bum. But me think not edit this. It don't make no sense. I just should never want to go live and I record this and put it up on a Thursday evening. Yeah? Because yesterday, man, them have me on TikTok for about 5 hours. Just I scroll through TikTok and I watch TikTok videos because I couldn't do anything else. I couldn't do nothing else because of this, man. TikTok turned my best friend. I couldn't go on Twitter. I couldn't go on YouTube because watching these football fans and just here we see them tweet just piss me off even more. Fuck. People, drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel, please. Whether you're American, Jamaica, you know what? Drop a like on the video. Bless up yourself. Make sure you wear a mask. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. Man, as man.